Welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to learn the basics about the snipping tool in Windows 11. With this tool, you can take screenshots and recordings of your screen. First, let's see how we can open the snipping tool. There are different ways to open the tool. It could be using the Windows menu and search bar, pressing a combination of keys, or using the print screen key on the keyboard. Let's do via menu, and I will put on the screen the key combinations as alternative. Click the Start menu, Windows icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. In the search bar, type Snipping Tool and press Enter. Click on the Snipping Tool app from the search results to open it. Shortcut methods. Press the Windows key Shift-S to directly open the snipping toolbar. Press the print screen key on the keyboard. Once we open the tool, you will need to select between several options for your snip. You can select the mode first, and then click on the New button to start a new snip. Freeform snip. Draw any shape around what you want to capture. Rectangular snip. Drag the cursor around the area you want to capture to create a rectangle. Window snip. Click on the window you want to capture. Full screen snip. Capture the entire screen. Using the snipping toolbar, shortcut method, after pressing Windows key Shift-S, choose from the snipping options at the top of the screen. Freeform, rectangular, window, or full screen. If we don't do any changes to our capture, it will automatically save to the Screenshots folder default location. You can see it and modify this location by going to the three dots at the top right corner of the sniping tool and select Settings. Now that we have our screen capture, we can edit it and save it. Edit the snip. After capturing, the snip opens in the snipping tool window. Use the tools in the toolbar to make basic edits. Pen, draw on the snip. Highlighter, highlight parts of the snip. Eraser, erase edits you've made. Save the snip. Click the File menu, select Save As. Choose the location where you want to save the snip, click Save. You can also copy, share, print, and even do a visual search with that capture. You can play with those options on your own. And that's it. You've successfully learned the basics about the snipping tool in Windows. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can greatly enhance your productivity. Thanks for watching and subscribe for future videos.